How to fix a laptop not detecting an external monitor on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your laptop to recognize and display on an external monitor. First, make sure the cable connecting your laptop to the external monitor is firmly plugged in on both ends. From there, check that the external monitor is powered on and set to the correct input source. At this point, press the Windows key and P at the same time to open the display projection options. From there, select Extend or Duplicate to attempt to detect the external monitor. After that, if the monitor is still not detected, right-click on an empty area of your desktop and click on Display Settings. In the next step, scroll down and click on Detect under the Multiple Displays section. From there, wait for Windows to scan for connected displays and check if your external monitor appears. Once done, if it is detected, select how you want the displays to be arranged and click on Apply. Following this, if the monitor is still not showing up, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. From there, expand the Display Adapter section. At this stage, right-click on your graphics driver and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest driver. From here, restart your laptop and reconnect the external monitor to check if it is now being detected. After this, if the issue persists, try using a different cable or a different port on your laptop, such as switching from HDMI to DisplayPort or using a different USB-C adapter, if applicable. And that's it! If this guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.